Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make the header icons bold on your Shopify store. This is a small change that can make your navigation stand out. So first from your Shopify admin, go to online store and then click on themes. From here, click actions and then click on edit code. Now you'll want to go to the folder named assets. You'll scroll down and look for a file named as base.css or any other similar kind of file. Now you'll scroll down from here and then you'll paste this code. Now after adding this code, we'll click on save. And now we'll go back to our site and refresh it. Our header icons should be bold now. And that's it.